To perform a long arm crunch, lie on your back and extend your arms back over your head. Lift your shoulder blades off the floor and reach toward your knees. Then return your arms to their original position.
Lie down with your glutes and torso stabilized on an exercise ball. Stabilize the position by crossing your arms on top of your chest and keeping your feet firmly on the floor. Your torso should be parallel to the floor with your back arched across the ball. This is the starting position. Now exhale as you use your abs to curl your torso off the ball while raising your shoulders and keeping your lower back on the ball. Tightly contract your abs at the top of the movement. Hold the contraction for a moment and then inhale as you slowly lower your torso back to the starting position. Concentrate on your abs throughout this exercise. Only your torso should move, so be sure to keep your neck stationary. To begin, suspend your body on 2 parallel bars with a back support. Your forearm should be on top of the pads and your elbows should be bent. Then cross your feet and extend your legs. Keep your back straight and pin to the back support. This is the starting position. Now exhale as you use your lower abs to raise your legs while bending your knees until they are level with the bars. Tightly contract your lower abs at the top of the movement. Hold the contraction for a moment and then inhale as you slowly lower your legs back to the starting position. Repeat these movements until you have finished all of your reps.
To perform a bicycle crunch, lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands to the sides of your head. Raise your head and shoulders, bringing one knee toward your chest and the opposite elbow to this knee, twisting your torso. Twist to the opposite side using your other leg and elbow.